happy birthday. Love you so, so much. And I just want to feel that I've been grateful for everything that you've done for us, especially for me. Thank you for all the advices, for handling it here every time that I'm always frustrated with the decisions that I make. Thank you for always bringing me back to the right path and guiding me. I really couldn't have reached this far without you. I'm really, really grateful for everything that you've done. Thank you so much, and sana umuwi ka na dad. Miss ka na natin. Love you.
Hi Dad, happy birthday. Thank you Dad sa lahat. Thank you for providing us, loving us Dad. And hindi ako magiging engineer kundi dahil sa inyo ni Mami. I love you so much. Miss you.
Hello Dad, happy birthday. For 2 years na dito na sa Pinas. At maalala ko pa na doon pa sa Saudi, sa buong oras na yun, ay na-realize ko lang na ganong liit lang ang lang tayo usapan, tapos mag-bonding as anak. At sana naman sa dating panahon ay mag-bonding as much as I can. So yan na yung promise ko na lang sana pag sa mga dating ng panahon kung nandito ka na. Love you Dad, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Robert! Wishing you good health po, Ninong.
Ingat ka dyan palagi.
More blessings po!
Once again, happy birthday, Tito Robert!
Happy birthday, Tito Robert. Happy retirement po. Tito, thank you so much sa inyong support. Hindi man tayo nagkikita, pero damang-dama ko pa rin po yung support ninyo sa akin. At pagiging proud ninyo sa akin. Naalala ko pa dati, kayo po yung nag-organize ng isang singing competition sa Saudi. I think it was year 2009 or 2010. At nanalo po ako doon, kaming dala ni Kuya Arn. Kaya hindi ko talaga yun makakalimutan dahil first singing competition na panalunan ko yun. And of course, syempre, isa sa mga pinaka-close namin na family friends sa Saudi. At maaasahan na kapitbahay sa Rushdie. Dito, wishing you more birthdays to come. And syempre, good health and more blessings to you and your family. Once again, happy birthday po, Tito. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi. God bless you. Regards to Abby, Gian, and John. And to Ivan.